Just to make a point real quick, many of us are not going to have a push dagger unless we're in our house, okay? But I may have a folding knife, okay? Every day, every street, every place. Calvin just decided to take a swing at me, and I come down. I drive him down. I want to pop out to the side that's not my tool side, here, okay? From here, I come here, I pop up, he starts reaching, I see it. Okay? I'm in a position to make it work. So it doesn't change based on the tool that I use. Okay? It's all the same.